So guys, in today's Python DSA video, I am telling you about the method. The method I am telling you about, and please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please access my Python DSA playlist and bookmark it also. So I do not take a long time. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing, guys. So guys, let's learn about the method. So let's learn about that. Here's a systematic strategy we apply for solving a problems. Okay, this one and strategy for applying solving a problems. Here you can see this one strategy. Like first strategy is state the problem clearly. Like what problem is come. So please state the problem. Please, what is the meaning of this problem? What is this problem? What is this problem is telling us? So please state the problem clearly first of all, and then identify the what is input and output format. In this first line, this first line is saying like first of all state the problem clearly. Like if in the notepad I say like what is the popular here what is the popular language in the world. Like this is one, and here you can see this one answer. So first of all here state the problem clearly. So in here I say the problem is there is some error in the text. So like in the first line it says state the problem clearly. So the problem is there is some error in the text. Please first of all state the problem. I am just giving you one example. Okay, not in the example I am giving you in the coding, but I am giving you an example like this in the notepad. Like problem is there some error in the text. Like in which text? In this text. First of all clearly state the problem. Problem is there some error in the text. Like let me state the problem clearly. Now I have state the problem. Like the problem is there is some error in the text. So I state the problem. So then identify the input and output formats. Now I state the problem clearly. Now let me identify the input and output. Like there is one error. So I write what is the popular language in the world. What is the error in this text? SI. I write like IS. I write like SI. So this is one error. So that's why I'm telling you, please first of all state the problem clearly. Mean what problem is saying you. So please first of all that. Now I hope you understand this first line. Let's come on to the second line. Come up with some example input and output. Like if you are solving this problem, so come up with some examples. Like make your one example and then come on to the inputs and outputs. Like in this sentence second line, it's saying like come up with some example input and output. So I come up with example like what is, like I make one example like what is the popular language in the world. So I make one example, generally this one example, like I write like what is the popular language in the world. So here again this is one only general example. Like first of, and then if you are anyone solving the problem, so please come up with some examples and inputs and output. Try to cover all edge cases. This is also Number 3, come up with the correct solution for the problem. State it in a plain English. Come up with the correct solution for the problem and state it in plain English. This sentence means, please first of all come with correct solution for the problem and state in the plain English. Number 4, implement the solution and test it using example inputs. Like this sentence means, first of all implement the solution, like this one I have implemented the solution like that, and then test it using the example inputs, like fix bugs if any. Like if I go on my Visual Studio Code and there's my file by the name of helloworld.py. Here you can see it. So come out with some examples, and like this in this it is giving me the error. Here you can see it. So fix bugs, and then you will be very, if any, and then you will be very easy to solve the problems if you fixing the bugs and anything. So your and whenever the anyone give you the problem, so you will be solve it easily. That's why I'm telling you, please fix the bugs, and anything you will be fixed and tested using example and input. So if you are someone give you one problem, so you will be solve it easily. Yes. Number 5, analyze the algorithm's complexity and identify efficiencies if any. Number 6, apply the right technique to overcome the efficiency and repeat steps 3 to 6. Okay, and now like this sentence mean like repeat step 3 to 6 times. Okay, now here you can see it. Today's video I give you a method, so I hope you can enjoy this class. I tell you a 6 method to solving the problems, and please fix the bugs. Okay, please fix the bugs. So your whenever someone give you the problem, so you will be solve it easier. That's why I'm telling you, please fix the bugs. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's class I give you the method in Python DSA. So now in the next video I give the solution. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I give you some 6 strategy to apply solving of problems. And now please access my Python DSA playlist and bookmark it also. So I do not take a long time. So I meet you next lesson, next very amazing class of the and we in the next class we are solving the problem. So now I meet you next lesson, next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.